Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to withdraw and connect Hamster Kombat to OKX Wallet. First thing you have to do is download and install the OKX app from your App Store or Play Store. Now open the OKX app and create a new wallet or log in if you already have one. Ensure that your wallet is secure with two-factor authentication and any other available security measures. After that, launch the Hamster Kombat app or visit their platform on a supported browser. Look for a wallet or a settings section where you can link a crypto wallet. Choose and connect the wallet and select OKX Wallet from the lists. Now in Hamster Kombat, go to the wallet or assets section and choose withdraw. Choose the asset, like for example hamster token, that you want to withdraw to your OKX wallet. You just have to input the OKX wallet address for a specific token. Double check the details and confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!